We help startups and SMEs to launch their crypto exchanges. We have more than 250 clients that using our crypto exchange infrastructure. I'm more focused on the
Ecosystem.
technology side and the ecosystem.
Are you investing something into the crypto or something?
Honestly,
So hi Ammar, how are you?
hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm from cryptovsstocks. My name is Ravi,
Nice to
and
meet
I've seen like you guys are having a blockchain infrastructure and how you guys are helping the layer one, layer two networks to build the application on the network for the dApps and everything. So you can let
you.
us know.
I'll give you a quick overview about ChainUp. ChainUp is a technology provider. It's a Singaporean company based in Singapore. And it was established in 2017. We help startups and SMEs to launch their crypto exchanges in a sense that we provide the full infrastructure for them in terms of trading engine, order book, liquidity, and custody. Our main line of business is the white labeling of crypto exchanges, and as a result, to manage our clients and to manage our business, we developed a full ecosystem that supports the crypto exchange business. We developed our own custody, our MPC wallet, our own KYT, know your transaction on chain. We have our unique liquidity solution that helps big exchanges to manage their liquidity and hedge their liquidity. And we recently launched a platform for tokenization of real world assets. You can tokenize real estate, equity, gold, or any real world assets can be tokenized through our white label platform.
Okay. So when it comes to the tokenization for the real world assets, for example, like when it comes to the virtual assets, it is going to be specifically based on the market cap. For example, if any particular token, when we talk about the Bitcoin or Ethereum, so Bitcoin have a 21 million market cap, and the one Bitcoin is having some sort of worth of like some sort of $1,000 or something. In this case, like if you have some tokens and if you want to incorporate with the real world asset RWA, so in this case, like how you incorporate with this thing and how you equivalent keep the token equivalent with the particular real assets.
I think this is something has to do with the secondary market. What we uh, what we offer now, it's a platform for early investors and for businesses to start buying these tokens that is related to the real world assets. Something that has to be done in the background, because in terms of compliance, definitely you have first to securitize these assets and make it on paper.
Yeah.
Then you can use the technology
So
to link the value of these real world
yeah.
assets.
So you
It's like in parallel. You can't do only the technology without doing the paperwork and the compliance.
okay. So you are specifically allowing few tokens, those who are very well known into the market as well as the verified tokens, and
Exactly.
they are incorporating with the real world asset, and after that you are allowing them to
We're
complete.
opening
Yeah.
for them also the secondary market, since we have our own ecosystem, which is consists of so many exchanges. We have more than 250 clients that using our crypto exchange infrastructure, so we can tap into their
Yeah. So
liquidity and market.
is there any specific token categorization, the like the stable coin you are allowing to incorporate with the real world asset, or any meme coin or something? Because I know the fluctuations are going to be very high
Yeah,
and low
yeah,
for the other tokens in
yeah.
comparison with the stable coins. So are you only allowing the stable coins or the other meme coin, AI based coin, or
No,
any other?
for now we're just focusing, on linking it with stable coins.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future we can look into it. So the RWA, the tokenization of is a very, new topic,
Yeah.
and everyone now is talking about it. There is still no, very clear regulation and framework about it in the world. Maybe there is only in Switzerland and Singapore for now. But we're now, just building this product and developing the technology to be ready once the regulatory and once the framework is already in place.
When it comes to the you are building like a crypto exchange and the real world asset platforms where we can buy the particular
We
property
also
on the land.
integrate. We don't also offer let's say one product solution only crypto exchange. We already work also with financial institution, banks, and family houses. To integrate the crypto trading into their existing
For
apps, to
example,
their
when
fintech apps,
yeah, so
neo banks.
for example, when it comes to the banking system, so they do not work on the open source model or something. So when it comes to the banking system, like, do you guys using the private network as a hyperledger or something?
No, see, we developed our products to be institutional level, so we can offer this infrastructure for banks also, in a sense that we already uh, our target is also traditional business, not only crypto native companies. So we already have a very mature product that can support a big institutions and big banks, in terms of infrastructure. We can embed this because we are a tech company at the end. We can, integrate, we can change, the product that we have to be, compatible with the companies that we work with because we own the whole technology. Everything that we offer is developed in-house, is developed by ChainUp development team. We
Okay.
have more than 250 developers and R&D teams between Japan and South Korea and Beijing. So we we are very flexible company. We are capable of integrating, modifying, customization. We can do all of that.
Okay. So when it comes to the any project, if someone wants to start from scratch, so how do you incorporate with them? Like, what are the steps we need to follow?
See, we understand how the market works because we've been in it since an early stage, and we cater our packages to be suitable for startups. We have a basic package for startup. We have a more enterprise level package, and then we have a developer package. So we mainly do it as a SaaS, like software as a service, and we also can do on-prem solutions that can be handled by big, let's say, corporates that has their own existing technical team.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, any other things you are going to launch into the, or is it in the roadmap or something you would like to mention?
For now, we are focusing. We recently integrated the copy trading into our infrastructure, any futures and spots trading, and we are keep on developing the infrastructure to adapt to the new technologies and the new trends. And we recently also did hybrid exchange. It's a very unique product that where you can connect your Web3 wallet to a centralized exchange like
Okay.
MetaMask, Trustwave, whatever. You connect this Web3 wallet, something like MetaMask, and you can trade on the centralized exchange and then withdraw your money from the centralized exchange in your Web3 wallet. This is something very now being demanded by the traders.
Yeah, actually, no one wants to do the KYC. That's the main reason.
Yeah.
So, like when it comes to the trading, like if anyone is doing KYC, so the government have all the data and everything. And if someone is utilizing the MetaMask or any of the wallet which is a decentralized, which is not having any KYC or something, it is going to be very private for each and
Exactly.
everyone.
That's why we have this hybrid exchange, to support the decentralized people. But honestly, what we see in the industry and what's happening is that everyone is moving to centralized exchange.
Yeah.
All the most
The
of the
government, like,
trading
there is a
and
lot
the
of
volume
yeah.
is being traded on the centralized exchange.
Yeah, the main reason behind that, like the government and the regulations from each and every country, as you know, like the Dubai is all allowing
You
the
have
crypto. Yeah.
VARA now. We are very to be honest, you have to regulate this. You have to work with the regulatory, with the authority, for the industry to thrive. You can't just be stubborn and say no. I just want to be anonymous. I want to be everything decentralized. Okay, you can have technologies and build on the decentralized world something that has to do, let's say, with the smart contract, with marketing, with any other technology. But when it comes to trading and cryptocurrency, has to be legalized. There is a framework for it. It has to be licensed because at the end of the day, you have to think about the industry itself. You can't just stay in the shadow and do all of these transactions.
Yeah, yeah, of course, definitely. So the main thing is that like I just wanted to ask you the random questions regarding
Hmm.
the investment. Like, do you guys like personally are you investing something into the crypto or something?
Honestly, no,
No. Why?
I'm not.
What is the reason behind it?
Uh, there is no reason. It's like I invested before. To be honest, I invested in Phantom. I invested in Solana before, but for now, I'm more focused on the technology itself. Uh, I think it's more important to invest in technology than for me, in my personal opinion, than investing in the cryptocurrency. It's a very it's something that depends on your preference. Some people they like to invest in gold, some people they like to invest in this, but for sure I see the potential in the cryptocurrencies, but yeah, I'm more focused on the
Ecosystem.
technology side and the ecosystem.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you for explaining all this. Like,
You're welcome.
I always wanted to let the community know, like, we need to look into the ecosystem and the utilization of the particular uh, projects that are coming into the market for
Yeah,
the Web3 and everything before investing money and everything.
sure, man. Yeah, you need to expand your mindset. Look at the new technologies, look at the new product, the new companies that coming in, and work closely with the authority
Yeah.
for the business to thrive. We have to be close,
Yeah.
with the regulatory bodies and the government bodies to
Yeah.
help each other,
Yeah.
to legalize this
Yeah.
technology, this
Sounds good.
industry.
Thank you for explaining all
You're
this, and
welcome.
it was really nice to talk to you,
You're
Ammar.
welcome.
Thank
Nice
you
to
for your
meet you.
time.
Thank you for having me also.
Yeah. Have a good time.